Okay, so today we're running out and we're going to see a beautiful two properties that are 3 stories. So you're going to have some nice strong knees for these properties that we show you today. But at the same time, you're going to have a great wallet for these particular properties because there's some really affordable homes in a nice area as well. So can't wait to show you these particular properties. And as we always like to say on this channel, let the show begin because we're getting after it right now. So these particular properties, KB Homes, a lot of people think of KB Homes as entry-level houses, and I understand why. That was definitely their history, if you will. But they really have changed and stepped up a lot. I've seen, especially in the Summerlin area, that's done some great builds up there for KB. Now this one again is down here in the Southwest. It's in the Southwest area, and that Southwest area I think is a great location because especially for those people that may want to be a little closer to the LA area, maybe on the weekends getting out towards LA, and definitely closer to that new Bright Line railroad station that they'll be putting out here in Las Vegas that takes you from Las Vegas out to the LA area. That's going to be a great spot for this area as well. And there's also supposed to be I think the NBA stadium I think is coming in and all that kind of good stuff. So a lot of good stuff is happening in this area. And what's great about these 2 properties we're going to show you today as well is the affordability. You can get these base price wise in the mid 400s, I'd say low 400s actually, up to the upper 400s, 420, 429, upwards to like 479 on the base price. So with that, guys, enjoy these 2 new homes. And if you have any questions, of course, reach out to us and we'd love to make sure we get those answered for you. Take care. So the first one I'm going to take you guys into today is going to be the 1920 model. And that is the actual square footage of this particular one. This is a 3-bedroom. We'll run into Vincent's site somewhere. What's cool about this is this downstairs feeling, right? Because this could be,
it's a great little office space.
They're using this as an office, but you also could use this as a bedroom. And then with this bedroom, you have this side entrance, which you could almost use as a small rental. If you have that side gate, and you have your own powder room down here, their own room. They don't have a shower or anything, but you do have that here at least. But modeled as a little office downstairs. Of course, your garage area, closet. And then your second level. Yeah, everybody's doing that fun thing where they're giving you a feature wall. That's really cool. Oh, this is nice. It's a balcony. Kitchen area, really cool. I like it. Let's start over to the balcony side and then we'll sneak our way over to the kitchen and then upstairs for the third. We'll get up there in a second and sneak you guys over into the kitchen area. So again, 1,920 square feet on this one. You do have a nice sort of laundry area. It looks like this might be stackable, or you could have both of them side to side actually. And you have a really nice, ample storage for the food, pantry. Upstairs, yes, we're gonna go upstairs. And then we'll take you guys upstairs. So again, with this, we want to make sure that we'll talk to what's happening with the doors and what's happening with the balcony, if anything's different. Once we get you guys in here, we'll make sure that we get you updated information. And then your third level, just standing off the top. Is that the primary you're in, Vince, or that?
Primary, I'm in the primary.
All right, good. I'll come to that one in a second. Have linen on the side. Then you have your 2 bedrooms. Bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. Adorable. And of course, any questions, you guys will be reaching out to us and we'll help you out. We'll be your agents. Always love the dual. They have some extra height on those cabinets as well, which is always good. And sneaking you now over to the primary suite area. See how that goes. Really nice, reasonable.
It's flexible.
Yeah, they've done a nice job staging it and laying it out. And really a cool, affordable pricing too, which is always a good thing. So these are like, you know, there's different elevations. And when I say elevations, that's going to be the front of the property, the frontage of the property. You have 3 different versions on that. So you'll have, you know, elevation A, B, C, and we'll give you the numbers what those elevations could be. Somewhere maybe on the screen here, Teddy, will put those numbers as far as what those could be for folks, so they can see how those different frontages would cost them depending upon what they decide to put on the front of their home. And it's also going to probably depend upon which location or where you're sitting next to on your opposites. So they're probably not going to sit the same elevation next to each other 3 times in a row. So it depends on where you are in that sort of kind of breakdown as far as what elevations you can get. But of course, each elevation will cost you a different amount. So hopefully that makes sense. So this is our number 1, our first property, and we're going to sneak you over to the second property after I show you the walk-in closet area. We'll let folks decide which side they want and who's fighting over what and who gets what side, so forth and so on. So have fun with that. And we're going to sneak you guys over to the second property. This next one is going to be our, so if we look at this model, this one's going to be our model 2226. And this one is going to be 2,226 square feet. It's a 3-story property again. Three-story property, 3 bedrooms. And this one, you do have the option of the loft. So like all of the frontage, you almost have this really fun, cool, not patio, but it's like, you know, a little patio in the front. You have your own little spot in the front. Yeah, and the nice pavers and all that kind of good stuff. Now, when I talked to you guys about the elevation before, the elevation is how the front of the property looks. You may have an elevation, yeah, that there's stone work all on this one. That one is a little bit more plain.
How it's shaped.
Exactly. So that one's a little bit more plain as far as the look of the front of the property. So that's what I mean by the elevation. And you'll have 3 different variations on those elevations. So let's go inside and take a look at this one. I like this one. So this one's really cool because on this model, come on in, Vince, this one they have an actual bedroom downstairs. So if you want to take them in all the way through the bedroom, this one has that bedroom, yep, garage area. So this one has the bedroom downstairs. The other model had the studio or the office space downstairs. So if you go inside of here, you have a nice bedroom. Yeah, so again, you could take this one as an area that you do, you know, some areas call them ADFs, that sort of kind of secondary.
Yeah, it's a nice little spare bedroom.
Yeah, spare bedroom downstairs, guest downstairs. But again, for some of the folks that are younger, because we're definitely keeping you guys encouraged in regards to coming in and getting home ownership, That area back here, you almost could use as a separate entrance for someone that you may want to have someone that may rent this spot out downstairs, if that's something that you're looking for, as far as that option, having something financially. So again, your own separate bedroom or bath downstairs.
What I noticed is I like this nice big closet. I mean, really.
Downstairs, yeah.
Downstairs, like a big,
Almost like a little
good sized storage closet.
Yep, great storage closet. I want to double check and see if they have a shower in this one. I don't think they did on this one. They have a bathtub. Yes. See now, this one, that one downstairs had that bathtub. So going upstairs. All right. So what are you? All right. So when you first come up,
Counter space over there with the big windows.
yeah.
Wow.
And what I like too on this one is this really cool little side balcony.
Yeah,
It's like a little mini Juliet, but a little bigger than a Juliet.
Wow.
But still, that's a fun little balcony.
Clever, you guys. That's really nice little spot off the kitchen. Yeah. Yeah, I really like it.
It's bright.
Space, right? Look at all the windows.
All the windows really open it up. Really nice, sizable like countertop here.
Yeah.
Because all the action, yeah, a lot of long.
The storage of this, I love the way that big window would go that. How beautiful is that?
And again, the base price on this one is going to be a little bit higher. The elevations on this one is going to be $472,990. You have one at $484,990, and you have one at $480,090. Love what they did with this feature wall.
Yeah.
That's really fun too.
It's extra, but it is beautiful.
Yep, for sure. Yeah, you don't get that standard.
This is tucked around. That's nice.
A little privacy for all your guests and
that
folks
is
that come in
nice.
for your powder.
That is well done, isn't it? That's all.
And like Vince was saying earlier, we did have that little mini Juliet, a little bit more than a Juliet, but then you have this one as well, which is cool. So you have, let me see if they have this one opened up today. And you have this one in the front.
Yeah, this is nice. Nice size. Yeah. Really nice. Really nice. And on the second floor, you can crack
Second
the
level.
windows, and you're up high. It's really a beautiful loft of light.
At the top, you're gonna get is the laundry room.
Laundry room on the third floor, where all the bedrooms are.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And I love the loft.
Oh,
I love the loft on this
area.
one. Yep, common area or loft
Wow,
area.
well, I'll have to, yeah. There is, this could be multiple things.
Bedroom 1,
One.
shared bath here that you do.
I wonder if this can we turn into bedroom 2?
You could turn it, but you already have a bedroom downstairs. So this is a 3-bedroom and a loft upstairs. And that's your prime area, of course. Yeah. And your primary closet. So really nice. I mean, this one, I like this one. Again, it really gives you a lot of options, especially with the downstairs bedroom. I know that Vince wants you guys thinking that, that downstairs bedroom, some people probably won't rent it. But for some of our younger people, for some of our younger folks that are getting in, they want to come together, they want to do this with their family or their friends or whatever it may be, and you need that income producing area. That could be that for some folks downstairs. So there is that option for these people. So again, these are coming in a little bit more expensive than the other model, but at the same time, yeah, it's definitely a little bigger. This one's 2,226. The other one was 1920. So you have a nice size as far as the differentiation on the lots or the square footage on this property. So any questions about it, of course, guys, reach out to us, let us know. Subscribe down below, all that kind of good stuff, so you can see all these videos that we do. And we will see you guys in the next video. Take care.